So this is how you properly open a Hot Wheel. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to look on the front of the casing, and you're going to want to pull up this tab, but not too much. You're just going to want to get it just until it the air gets inside there, and then you're going to want to tightly pull this, and there we go. Easy. And this works on at least a lot of Hot Wheels cases. Like, you have an older Hot Wheel here, you see, just grab onto there and tightly pull. Boom. You see? Minimal residue and open car. At least for here. It's great. This works for all sorts of stuff. Like, once again, just like get that tab under there and firmly pull on it. Kind of like pull on the car, like grab the car in a way inside of the container or whatever. And there we go. You see, once again, minimal residue, good car. This also works on Matchbox cars. This one's being a bit hard to open. There we go. Now, it's not perfect. Like I said, there is residue there, but, it's still, well, it's not great, but hey, you know, it works. And it's a lot better than what I used to do. This is great. Even on the smaller packages, same technique. Just open the flap, firmly yank, and just, like, firmly grasp it, and just, oh. Well, okay, sometimes that happens, but but usually it works pretty well. And yeah, the car's still great. We can see, well, the package is not great, but I guess you could still assemble that or glue that back on or whatever. Yeah, it's great. The smaller packages, the larger packages, Matchbox. Yeah, I'm making myself look stupid here. Maybe I'm brushing it too much. But yeah, you can, even still, you can just like go in there. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, cute little car. Yeah, this, like I said, it works on like pretty much any size. Come on. Yes. I think it works a lot better on Hot Wheels than Matchbox, or maybe it's just me. And also any shape of car. You see? Big car. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Minimal residue, good car. So yeah, that's how you properly open a Matchbox car, or Hot Wheels car, or whatever. Goodbye.